Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to play Steve the Dinosaur on your iPhone. This started off in Chrome where when you lose the internet connection, a dinosaur would appear, and when you press the spacebar, you could actually play a simple obstacle runner game. It's an addictive game and it's great for passing some time while waiting. So on your iPhone, go to the App Store and search for Steve. On the App Store, it should read as Steve Widget Game. Go ahead and download it and install it. Now, go back to your home screen. Then swipe left to access your Today's View page. Now tap on Edit. Then tap on Customize. Now from the list, find Steve and tap on the plus. Then press Done and then Done again. Now to play your game, you just need to start tapping on the right arrow and then tap on the game. The best part of this is it shows up as a widget on your iPhone screen thanks to iOS14. And there you go, enjoy the game on your iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.